Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Well, I wish I could tell you that we have a high confidence pattern here, which, I can't unfortunately, because the price has formed a C wave to the downside. Yeah, we were watching for that, like an A, B, C structure. The problem though is that the C wave did not reach the 100% extension. So, had we seen that, I'd be a bit more confident that a low is in, but we'll see. I mean, there is a potential low in place, okay, because we have a 3-wave move down. It's just that the C wave was a little bit short, if that was all of it. Have we reached the 78.6 extension? Not even that, okay? So I'm a bit skeptical if really a low has formed, but it's possible because I could call this a possible 5-wave move up. Now, the gold chart doesn't show that potential 5-wave move up, okay? So that is where they don't align really, which is also adding to the uncertainty here on the chart. But of course, I will track this potential 5-wave move up, which is based on the idea that a wave 2 could have bottomed there on the 19th of December. Remember that in the last video update, I think I gave you a support area for this internal wave 4. And we said, okay, if that holds, and it did hold, I've removed it since then from the chart, but if that holds, we can watch for one more high. Then we might get a first 5-wave pattern. I think we have one, at least it's a potential 5-wave pattern. And let's see if this wave 2 holds. So this will be the focus for the coming trading week. And what we can do, in addition to the support that we already have on the chart, and I will remove the upper section, we don't need that. But in addition to the support that we already have on the chart, let's add micro support for this potential wave 2 internal pullback. Yeah. And if we talk about micro support, this is the area I would be watching as the new week is starting. Oops, 1 second. I need to just adjust that slightly. It's between pretty much $29 and $29.31. It's the area between the 78.6 retracement and the 50% retracement. And what we are looking for is a reaction here. Does it have to react there? No. I mean, if this is a 1-2 setup, the formal invalidation point is actually down here, around $28.72. The red line is the formal invalidation point. But ideally, we want to see, if this is the correct wave count, we need to see a reaction, ideally before the price breaks below 28.99, because below that level, it's going to be too deep for a reliable wave 2. It's already a questionable scenario. I like the idea of a 5-wave move up. It looks like one, but based on the context, it's not high confidence. So if we break below 28.99, we have to prepare for a test of the 28.72 level. Breaking below that will invalidate that structure, and then we could pay attention to the next support levels in a still unfolding wave 2 of a larger wave degree. So it would then unfold still. So we can say that this might be an alternative wave 2. And then we could see a test of 28.44, even though that's not such a relevant level. More relevant is $28 here, and then $27.46. Basically, I'd pay attention to the area, in the blue zone, essentially, right, as an alternative. And how can we, or what would be a first signal that the wave 2 has bottomed here on the micro level? I would need to see a break above the $29.90 level. Yeah, and I can't really give you targets for a third wave yet because the wave 2 hasn't bottomed, but let's just assume the price might test maybe the golden ratio there at $29.18, just so that we can identify some upside levels to watch, because it doesn't look like it's bottomed yet, but I want to give you some levels to watch. So the third wave should then reach $30.63 at least. Wave 4 pullback, and the wave 5 should get to possibly like $31 or so. This would give us an ideal 5-wave structure, which would then again mark wave 1 of a larger wave degree, and we can watch for the next pullback afterwards. But first of all, the focus needs to be on this micro support zone. That's the update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates about the S&P 500 and stocks, then feel free to check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.